My people, I want to say more on this matter. Protect the children or leave them. Because this one, Child Protection Service need to hear it then. Because this is child abuse. Big time child abuse. Speaker is gone. Awakening of ye war. Ege bon bouve se va ne. Ege imi on bouve se va ne. This is child abuse. Child abuse. My people, this is called child abuse. This is child abuse. This is called child abuse. This is called child abuse. She said, wait. Then they talk about her son. Now she talk more. You are short of words. Don't be short of words, so. My people, now so we now not be me talking now here and in voice, so. So what do people say we should do now? A whole grown-up boy like that, big boy like that, they minouve yagwa loveva. Eruwe gbe se le baba. Papa na li lalo. Uwe gbe se le lo monuve biye. Uwe igwa love ki omo nu biye. Omo no wane. Eto ori handicap o. Ori ma handicap. Egbe wa ramon ni kezebe no ramon. Egbe wa ramon ni no ramon. De na wegi gwa lova ama wenene kaga don uwege uwe pa omo no wane. Omo no aseba wake up, it's time for school. Ok by gbe ufie kegbo babari. Oga ran o egbe ran. Ere ya won mo we. Is that not how you wake your children in the morning? Then wegi mutia eva nu ge de take care don or me 15 years. Then womudia nu ge de take care don or not? Here come if social media wa bure na ri mabo. I would if I have her address. This is arrant nonsense. I am telling you. I have the address. Who need them? Call me. I will give you now. Is this the letter for this thing? What do you guys think we should do? Because this one call for alarm. This is not good. Nema. You bully my child. You talk also to rubbish. Bega bowena. Oh, we bully or we. A government now. Memo we je court. I je court one. I will not take you to court in this one. Government shall hear this one. I'll give them my own, and I'll give them your own. You are a female pedophile. That's what you are. You are. That's what you are. Nagi mabo. They need to check your brain. They may no longer wear. They may not be soon where they wear. Magi miene ita ugunu we. Uwe movie organado udo finish life okay. I see where the DNA test or my year forward. They be mo kia okay. E kia ye war. Boy can wear. Movie organado way.
Yeah.
What way?
You go ya do whatever. Oh. Okay, gbogbo na le keje boy wa sena. Be boy na na. Okay, gbogbo na destiny ya winya. You go ya do whatever. Bona o wa fo.
Man, speaker we worry.
Okay, gbogbo na destiny ya winya. You go ya do whatever. Oh. If you kwela wa ye pu. We are if you kwela mu. If je ke ba ru e na je na. We are get ke je kwela bi me. The age na oh yeah wo. Okay, gbogbo na le ke je boy wa sena. Be pu e na na. Okay.
Ha! We are going to do it. Imami meta. Speaker lare ma ye ri one ne kakabo. Let me see them. We shall rewind it enough. Let's use this one. My people, and this one that they call Opakaroro. Now this one that they call Opakiakia. I be fighter, I be defender. Where are they? When I call you, Ogbikoba. A UK AJ. UK don't joke with stuff like this. UK don't joke with stuff like this. A DNA, a social media, no way. Umami really. We ekbari wado mwagboyo na wabi do muya. Iwa ga mi na yen tawe, ijo we kia we ye wo, egbekwe okowe. We mo gbo la fin ebo yo na ube muria. Ube muria. Why? Wo we. Wo yo na we. We oye money. Eh? You yo na o ya ki oye money. O ma mi obo ya win na.
Bebe boy na. Age keje boy no. Yo aje. Ore don o.
Ibi agbon ni.
If ye kwela wa ye bu. We are if ye kwela mu. Ije ke ma mu we na je na. We are keje boy no be me. Beji na oye wo. Ore gbon na le keje boy wa se na. Bebe boy na. Ore gbon na destiny ya winya. Igo ya do wa be wa gbon na wa fo. Oh. Ore gbon na le keje boy wa se na. Bebe boy na. Ore gbon na destiny ya winya. Igo ya do wa be wa gbon na wa fo. E destiny ya wo.
My people, make I go sleep. I say my ear alone, you no go hear this talk. Make them they fool themselves for there. Terrible. Terrible, Lily. We are igual avec you, madame. They mean we igual with you. How many 3 years? How many 4 years? We are not talking about 3-4 years child. We are talking about a grown boy, no send away. Hey! Hey, it be possible. It be possible. It's a shameful thing. But all the same, mighty Baugi Mona, Mugi government. Take them to the government. Take them to the government. Why using them like this? Why? Why? Why using them like this? Hey, how you doing, love? Hope you're enjoying yourself. I see you. Enjoyment too much. Lulu Briggs. You were there. Lulu Briggs was very angry. Lulu, see your life. I bet the way you use Oza, put for back, then be this. The other one, she said, I was supporting her. The reason why this matter did not finish, let me leave it. Another day we'll talk about it. The reason why this matter did not finish is because of some people who see the truth and they come and join that they want to help her cover it. One of them have finally confessed. I thought it was too much, so I decided to come and join you. Now, the way it's going is no longer good. Though. It seems like you are not worried about it. Do you people remember the woman who said it? Even we had to go and I win enemy nano na do mwe bogbo yo and then na ka gwe was no man akata una te awu wa eti gwe ge awe do we bai awe mu bai me na ijena a government ma wa ya te government wa mojo na our muge government. Do you get a court he say vonona o ya visit here we can hear really aje ne gbe ohinya. I'm telling you. And then why ti gwe ne na why ti gwe a government our view, because this is humiliating. In fact, this is bully of the highest order. Boy, can kill work at social media. Ogona we omo do ogwe ekio mame egun we ya deliver pe de destiny so we ye for clothing glass ya ge e magnify we ya zoom nene kia ase we mata we nene kia nyenyenye ndo ma vi so wobo ma gi vere res eruka we mo eke no pa una we diabetes igbewa ami kio ma no ma we kenuje owo bi okan no iwa dade na oni opo iwa ruwa o na oye nyenye oye wo oni iwa ruwa o na eki anyo iwa be ruwa o na magi mi meta egi ekiera espaya ne eki omunu we bie egi be no no ke be do trend be social media owo na gbere iwore mental health hospital is for everybody. They will admit you for free. Bere ibore. Come no sike wo mu agbon muria. Ya se gbe monu ju ewe bie. No not here bonano. Ani hina. Aba gia senanu we my dear. True. Sa wa mi dan. Come no sike we. Umu agbon ya. Hello. Yeah, I'm still alive. Can you load the one you're hearing me from, please? No, you're not. Abi. Oh, hi, love. Yes. Good evening, darling. You understand? No, you can't do it. Kakabo. They need to admit her in the mental hospital, because she's not normal. She has all of it. I'm telling you. Yes. No, she can't. My God. How much problem? Yeah, I do. Yes. All right, I'll call you way back. All right, no problem. All right, let's see. Bye. Yes, so my people, I was say for Mona because akabuli omona agwalere na ya momona ye social media. Emanika support ya fiye ke gbuene we na egima do something to make na not be she o mona leave her alone. I don't think that one even know I'm on video set. Let me check on her. Talking to Melissa. And I don't think she knows I'm alive. Let me call her. I don't think she knows I'm alive. Hello, Melly. Give me. They found busy. Maro. It ain't life the Golden and Beauty Empire. It died when Melissa McQueen real life. For one time, a woman calling me when Melissa daylight. So now Melissa McQueen give me real life. And now we need to check on you. La reine do nique be video pan when you damn your cake ba. Come. Yeah, come in. I go make the Melissa McCake ba. No wa mu gese.
That's the thing ya walk. I will have it said na. The don't move. ije kama muena jena.
We pause again, Kalana. Miss her voice. You guys miss her voice. Hello, please report her. Eh? Oh no, now I will think about them, my blue. I will think about them. Don't be smart. I will think about life and direct because this is horrible. Oh, monumu is social media. Okay, you know where a blood money no. Where man got quiet, you must do something to make them start talking. I mega senior to segbe. Everybody know away. We are going go. Hello? Okay. You know, where everybody know a family well, we are going go. Social service would love to hear it.
Okay, kiene the destiny ne twin a piccolo. They know what will send in it. Yabe, Nico, you ere, ya, a yoga, je, ore do. If you kwena wa ye boo, we are if you kwena mu, ije kema mu ena je night. We are get keje po no be me. Beji na oye wo. Oga egbono na le keje po ye wa sena. Begbe po ena na. Oga egbono na destiny ya winya. Aga keje po no be me. Beji na oye wo. Oga egbono na le keje po ye wa sena. Begbe po ena na. Oga egbono na destiny ya winya. Igo ya do wa gbona wa fo. Oh. Oga egbono na le keje po ye wa sena. Begbe po ena na. Oga egbono na destiny ya winya. Igo ya do wa gbona wa fo. Oh. If you kwena wa ye boo, we are if you kwena mu. Ije kema mu ena je night. We are get keje po no be me. Beji na oye wo. Oga egbono na le keje po ye wa sena. Begbe po ena na. Oga egbono.
Una good night. Oh, wake up in oye wo. Who is the person? Who is the person? Let the person cry enough. Let them cry me a river. Let the person cry us a river. Now we put that for a mouth. Not be mouth to take talker. Now a mouth to take talker. And I have their address. Oh, Wame J. You know my address in young woman. Oh, Wame J. Oh, Wame J. I go satile. Wow. I go satile. Wow. Hello. Ozena Kwaji. I dey tell you. Wake you war. HR Protection Service need to hear this because someone has said very. Huh? I did tell you. Our translator audio na right here. Our trans. I am look for translator. Yeah, the great time. It's too much. It's too much. Even the video where she said her son is blood money. This is abuse. Abuse. Using them to make money. Child labor is abuse. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? All right. I'll call you back. Hey, people, this is abuse of the highest order. They can't many and see you away. This is UK. Everybody can pick up phone and call. You understand? Everybody are going to pick up phone and call. Address you where Mugume or Wameji. Una address you on a Mugume. Except to are you one Ubernet. Ugare ye vare. Ana me uwa register. Agwali ya re school ya tinya muwa. Did you hear? His son is 10 years. A boy. He's not an adult. He's still a child. He's still a child. Hello? Come, mommy. Okay, mommy. No, Dabi Nedia. Egbe mara ya wa kwa mi. Egbe mara ya kwa mi. no na o yan ri mo fo ma re but o ge mo no ro ma ka 7 ni. Okay, go beyond. Yeah, it's on do. A government of you, my dear. I am telling you. Kakabo, agwa leve na ya mo any money ye social media. Ema kwe beg in SF. Ema ke imi we wala wo wasi ya wala wo. E de dokpa no telele oni we la ona na egi ma ite support we, but na rije na egi ma egi de ma kaka. You know what they gbe do wo be jo pu e. Ija. Egi obi o kan na igi e be ri o. E to gba be 15 years next year na. Obi o kan ni kia. Video mo gwa lo be ki o mo 15 years. Wo gwa lo ba. Imae. Oni yoga ni o wa be na ga ni amo bi re pie 16 years. Ona 9 no mo kiana. Iya wa gun ayo mame. Iya wa gun ayo. De o ma je we say mommy. E government awa gun ayo na. A destiny bagwa, if you are here, if you are watching YouTube, you can take this video and go and, in fact, this is your time. Call me, I'll give you your address. No send them a lawyer gear for defamation of character, describing your manhood in public. If then a video go me, or one ya delete it, you understand? I already copied it. You get, you know, ya describe it. If you walk with your back, I did tell you. Destiny, you are in UK right now. TMN the address in one. Oh, baby, any to Agbeji. Patient is the key. Patient is the key. You understand? To Agbeji, yeah. Oh, kere all your boy before you the yours better care or the your work. Understand? Now you can hold that very, very well. What more? Umona lawyer solicitor me mana. Ure UK. You understand? Ure UK mana. Ue ko ya daji for defamation of character. Okay? Uye daji kokoko. Umwe, no escape route for defaming your character. They may no way, no do te. You understand? No do te me no way for defaming your character like that. Do you understand? Ogono ya delete mamwene. This is beyond abomination. Yeah, I'm telling you, even if she see it as, she will come and describe it. Ask me. Good night. Good night. You understand? So Destiny, this one, your cotton, defamation of character, wa mugiya, I have a cut your wa pay with damage. Or a war, a government award is very formal. A cookba, like I protecting in it because Obowegi ma make me imona. Obowegi ma. Wam only omuk be and me, one ye care or get like social media. Or we are waiting because women topic. A lot of you more topic you're wearing in water. You know what she does before? You will not get a topic. She would just call me like this. I would just tell her, oh, this topic just come to my head. This is how I'm gonna do it. This is how I'm gonna do it. Before they said to go to my picking before I would settle and put makeup, she's already live. She has started talking about it. You understand? That's where people thought, oh, she have topic. Nothing. Once we just start talking like that, I will just explain to her, this is how I'm going to do my video, this is how I'm going to do my video. The next thing, she's online. Terrible. Come on here. Una call me come here. Omona gwaleve na ya mweni dia. Nije muria. Oyi describe kyo mi oye wo. Wait, so now you're na wine hoy. In France, in winne they jealous me. In winne they want to be like me. In winne they want to dislike me. Egive kira. Hey. Tufiakwa. Wagwale nore wono na mame. Ah. I don't know. Una good night to God. See, the thing, it choke. It choke. This video might be moved to my YouTube channel for some reasons, okay? I will move it to my YouTube channel, okay? Because they are, as this video just so they don't cry. They want you all die put so. You understand? So I'm gonna move this video to my YouTube channel. It's gonna be there. Eh? Later she will say it. Later you can tell she is betrayed. Betrayal character. I'm telling you. Organic Queen, you and a little commenter. What I did do? Not be only my ear go hear this one. No, nobody our ear go hear this one. No be you. Terrible situation. Lulu Briggs, you were angry at this situation. How you see her? Thank God you call the do live video, made the coordinator. I shock you. You call the coordinator because you know they work at all Lulu Briggs. See, the arrows, see, the kick up and the kick bucket, the full level. Picking where they try to modia. Say, oh, I beg people. Everybody they come, they beg for corner, beg for corner. Everybody they cry, they beg. Now you just they carry your finisher. Now good night. We go they play this one from time to time until something is done. Now so. Maybe we put that for a matter. Desperation to stay on top, desperation to waiting through being told. Iradia. Okay, this one. Are you just coming because I have not seen your I've not seen your comment since.
The boy nana. I can't boy no be me. Veg na oye wo. Okay, bobo na the can't boy.
Iradia. That's a great topic, right? I can see. That's a very great topic. Yeah. Very, very great topic. Radia, that topic is very great. I know. Peaceful commenter. 1 year for fans. Radia, that's a good one, right? David Sandy, how you doing? Alicia. All right, guys. Let's go and rest tomorrow. I beg I carry my better children that they go to school. We don't need it at all. The moment we are enjoying our latest ringtone. You guys are enjoying your latest ringtone. That ringtone not there. It saddens my heart. It's not a good thing. You have set your ringtone. I don't know how to set ringtone. God forbid, I cannot use this one as ringtone. My ear are still recovering. Your ear are still recovering. I am telling you. My God. No, that's bad. That's bad. I can't use that as ringtone. Excuse me. No, I can't. Kai. That is terrible. And don't mind her puppies. They are just crying everywhere. Let them be crying. Idia. Okay, I cannot do if I don't have topic. I rather close my mouth than carry my children this thing to come and be doing video to satisfy you. God forbid. Or I will not sit down and be describing a man's for waiting. If I don't get topic, I will just come. Hi people, love you. How you all doing? Love you, it's your girl, the golden page. What was nice? What was this? What was this and that? About this dread, about this struggle. I do this, I do. Topic finish. Everybody go home smiling. Not for me to come and carry my pikin private part, come put for social media because I want to please you, whatever you call yourself. You're gonna let me look for topic and reach there. To fear quoi? To fear. What a fan are you? So that is the best thing you people desire for her. Don't worry. When her children have been taken away now, she'll be telling people, she will use it and educate you people. Oh, this was how I messed up and my children were taken away from me. I'm sure it will help many of you because at this junction, I can see that many of you abandon your children to stay 24/7 online with her. 24/7 online with her. You abandon your children just to be there to suit her and encourage her in this. That is why the day she said it, it was only Lulu Briggs that I saw was angry about it. The rest of you, you guys were laughing. All of you were laughing. Somebody, a so-called responsible mother, you run out of topic. You no longer have anything to talk about. Just the way she brought her papa come social media saying papa and this thing and so will be. Now so it doesn't carry picky also carry enter. They need to go, professionals need to go and interrogate that child before his mother now know that in teen long or if it's stretched. Wait till mama go find them. No, nobody should tell me, no, don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. The evidence will be sent to them. It's time. It's time. Biakani miene. Ya miene. Ya vana ewo. Obi emma woto. Obi emma woto. Emma woto. Emma woto. People should know my all those are this thing. Eke magwalo ganga ben. Yashon. Ewa takirina. And Lulu was the only person I saw put an angry face like, Nagima, stop. Instead for her to even say the truth, she was begging. I beg, Mama. Lulu Briggs. Hey, your mom will be here. Where mom? I be only wire gist before. Eke uwa. Wa DJ abi ko ni ma enegbe. Wire DJ. Wa DJ. I just say to fear quoi. Follow for now. To fear quoi. After I go say what they are saying, they don't know. What they are saying about me, they don't know. What people are saying about you is what they see about you in public. Everybody is saying what they talk about you is what they see, kuru, and you cannot change it. Then I go no. And then not where Kira, Irioji, public way nata. Wo wamano. Megita uyansun yibeke. O mangi confirm me ona woge. Ona oge. I get up and walk by the family one and no. Any hearing it on him. Nana ya de will know. Nana wabi money no soon 1960 wabi the most 2021. Huh? Hospital. Ah, where you are. I'm away seclusion. I feel your one. You go, you know, 9. This is UK. They don't joke with children. You have my address as well. Tia. Kala waya ka dere kene moji. Or we will build a computer worth of £2,500 or build it by himself alongside his mother. No, I pay Mwejo. Era is a working class man, responsible one at that. Yeah, do you want it? Maybe, yeah, so I mean, yeah, George. You don't know. Gia, we're not just him now. We're Gia, do you want it? Yeah, you get. Yeah, yeah, kala wo wana wo manana ya la wo wana wo manana ya la wo wana wo manana. Yeah. Yeah. But when you are you, with child labor, abusing them anyhow. Situation is critical. Baba when Nigeria 24/7 while we are exposing to the whole world. Do they like it? There are videos where one was even crying. Why are you disgracing us like this? Those children are tired of you. Egbe wenyane. Egbe wenyane. Na eke no pa wevi de egbe mula social media. Ujo wa ki matia. Ave responsible mother wa pa egbe.